Hi, I am Dr. Anmol Chugh. In this video of our Refine Your Reflection series, I am going to discuss something that I see very often in my OPD. It is how people feel disconnected with their bodies. So now this video is focused on the fact that you are not just a body. Sometimes patients walk in and say things like that, Doc, I feel invisible. This is not me. I feel so disconnected with my body that I am not able to concentrate on my work. Now, these might seem superficial, but there is something deep underlying going on. The people who are dealing with this are not just concerned about their appearance, but they are concerned about their sense of self. Your body is not just a collection of features, it is whole and soul of how you breathe, how you act, and how you will live your future. Now, naturally, also, our bodies are meant to change. Pregnancy brings stretch marks, but it also stretches the capacity of love. Menopause brings wrinkles and many other things, but it also brings wisdom. Any kind of trauma, any kind of illness or weight gain leaves behind marks, but they have resilience to teach us. I remember Amrita, a mother of two, who came to me saying that, Doc, I don't feel feminine anymore post pregnancy. Well, she was one of the most articulate and self aware people that I have ever met. The awareness is the most important part. Then you act and acknowledge accordingly. Now, the difference is to realize that we're not broken, we are becoming. We're choosing a certain path from ourselves which can connect our inner to the outer self. The problem is not feeling like themselves before, but the problem is the comparison. They see Instagram and other pages and expect that they will look like a particular person. Whether that look will suit or not, that is not the concern. This especially happens with females when they are post-pregnancy or in young men also, which are concerned about their chest problems and all. Now, these are the problems which can be very genuine. So the awareness is very important rather than setting yourself in a comparison trap, which can lead to further vicious cycle of self-doubt and a feeling of I am not good enough, which is the worst feeling to have. Now, why I am discussing this? Because there is an important topic which is known as body dysmorphic disorder. Now, in body dysmorphia, patient feel disconnected with his or her own body. The perception of the body is very different in terms of whether the looks are right or wrong. Now, you can be absolutely fine and you can find that the other person who is saying that you're absolutely fine or your doctor is saying absolutely fine, but you feel that there is wrong in your facial proportions or your body proportions. Let me give you an example of one of my patients. Let's call that patient Raj. Raj, a 20-year-old male, came with us with a specific problem. He wanted a very sharp nose. Along with that, he wanted it lifted. Now, we understood the fact that he wanted certain features, but did it suit his face? What was the perception that he had in his mind? He brought along with a lot of celebrity pictures and desiring that if I have a particular nose, then I'll be very successful. Now, it might be possible to give Raj a particular sense of look, but will it help him in long term? Will it help him attach with the self-worth? Well, the answer is no. So, if you have something known as body dysmorphia, there's nothing to bog down, nothing to feel sad. You should consult a specialist in terms of therapist. Your doctor can guide you so that you are treated first in terms of whatever features suits your body, so that you are able to make the right decision for yourself in right frame of state of mind, so that you are able to make right decisions for yourself. Now, I gave the example of Raj, meaning to tell you that I don't say yes to every patient. It is something that I decide in consultation with you what exactly you will need or what we can deliver. If you are very much sure and you are working towards your goal and you are stuck somewhere, then we can work together as a team and produce wonderful results. Take the case of Isha. She was doing diet, exercise, and living an active lifestyle, but felt stuck somewhere. We proposed a nutrition plan for her. She did her strength training. She was already feeling good inside because a routine had developed. And then she wanted liposuction to contour her body. It was the most wonderful decision for her as she recovered very well and had amazing results. Plus, the self-confidence topped like anything. Now, these are the patients who will get the maximum out of any procedure. In the end, I would just like to say that let's treat our body not under construction, but as a companion who experience a joy, love, growth, and milestones. Let's also stop judging ourselves or making aesthetic choices. Self-improvement does not mean self-rejection. I hope this video was helpful and the message resonated with you that your body is your companion, not under construction work. Treat it like it's on your side and you will have the most amazing life. Looking forward to sharing something new in our next video in the series Refine Your Reflection. If you like this video, do share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.